The future holds immense potential for groundbreaking innovations that have the power to transform our lives and reshape the world as we know it. From advancements in technology to bold conceptual ideas, the possibilities seem endless. In this article, we will explore 10 ingenious concepts that are poised to revolutionize various fields and push the boundaries of human imagination. Number 1. Artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. AI technology enables machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, problem-solving, and language translation. AI systems are designed to analyze and interpret vast amounts of data, identify patterns, make predictions, and automate processes. They use techniques such as machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics to mimic human cognitive abilities. Machine learning is a crucial component of AI, where algorithms are trained on large datasets to recognize patterns and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, uses neural networks with multiple layers to process and understand complex data. AI is already being used in a variety of ways, from powering self-driving cars to helping doctors diagnose diseases. In the future, AI is likely to become even more powerful and widespread, with the potential to revolutionize many industries. Number 2. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. VR and AR are two emerging technologies that are already starting to change the way we interact with the world around us. VR headsets can transport us to other worlds, while AR can overlay digital information onto the real world. In the future, VR and AR are likely to be used for a variety of purposes, such as gaming, education, and training. In gaming, VR allows players to immerse themselves in virtual worlds and interact with the game environment in a more realistic and immersive manner. In education and training, VR can provide simulated environments for learning and skill development, such as flight simulators for pilots or surgical simulations for medical professionals. On the other hand, augmented reality, AR, overlays digital information and virtual objects onto the real world, enhancing the user's perception and interaction with their surroundings. Unlike VR, AR does not replace the real world but rather enhances it by adding computer-generated elements. AR is typically experienced through devices like smartphones, tablets, smart glasses, or heads-up displays. AR technology enables a wide range of applications. For example, in gaming, popular examples include Pokémon Go, where virtual creatures are superimposed onto the real world, and AR-enabled tabletop games that blend physical and virtual elements. AR also has practical uses, such as providing real-time information overlays for navigation, displaying product information in retail, offering interactive museum exhibits, and assisting in industrial maintenance and repair tasks. Number 3. 3D printing. 3D printing is a technology that allows us to create three-dimensional objects from digital files. This technology is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to revolutionize manufacturing and many other industries. 3D printing is a process of creating three-dimensional objects from a digital file. The process works by adding material layer by layer until the object is complete. This is in contrast to traditional manufacturing methods, which involve cutting or removing material from a block of material. 3D printing can be used to create a wide variety of objects, including prototypes, models, and end-use parts. The technology is becoming increasingly popular in a variety of industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, and education. It can be used to create complex objects that would be difficult or impossible to create using traditional manufacturing methods. It is a more sustainable manufacturing process, as it produces less waste. It can be used to create personalized products, which can be tailored to the individual needs of the user. Number 4. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is a new type of computing that is based on the principles of quantum mechanics. Quantum computers are much faster than traditional computers, and they have the potential to solve problems that are currently intractable. Quantum computers are much faster than traditional computers because they can perform calculations on multiple qubits, quantum bits, at the same time. A qubit can be in a superposition of states, which means that it can be both a 0 and a 1 at the same time. This allows quantum computers to perform calculations that would be impossible for traditional computers. Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize many industries, including medicine, finance, and materials science. For example, quantum computers could be used to develop new drugs, design new financial products, and create new materials with amazing properties. Quantum computing is still in its early stages of development, but it is a rapidly growing field. Many companies and universities are investing in quantum computing research, and it is expected that quantum computers will become commercially available in the next few years. Number 5. Blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that is used to record transactions in a secure and transparent way. Blockchain is the underlying technology behind cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, and it has the potential to be used for a variety of other purposes, such as tracking supply chains and voting. Blockchain is a promising technology with the potential to revolutionize many industries. It is still in its early stages of development, but it is rapidly growing and there is a lot of excitement about the potential of blockchain. Number 6. Internet of Things, IoT. The IoT is a network of physical devices that are connected to the internet. These devices can collect and exchange data, which can be used to improve efficiency, safety, and productivity. The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to the network of interconnected physical devices, vehicles, buildings, and other objects embedded with sensors, software, and network connectivity that enable them to collect and exchange data. These devices communicate with each other and with the internet, creating an ecosystem where data is shared and analyzed, leading to intelligent automation and decision-making. Number 7. Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are vehicles that are capable of driving themselves without human input. Self-driving cars have the potential to revolutionize transportation, making it safer, more efficient, and more accessible. Self-driving cars are still in the early stages of development, but they have the potential to revolutionize transportation. They could make roads safer, reduce traffic congestion, and improve air quality. Self-driving cars have the potential to significantly reduce traffic accidents. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, 94% of all traffic accidents are caused by human error. Self-driving cars, which are not susceptible to human error, could potentially eliminate these accidents. Self-driving cars can be programmed to drive more efficiently than human drivers. They can communicate with each other to coordinate their movements, and they can avoid unnecessary stops and starts. This could lead to reduced traffic congestion and improved fuel efficiency. Self-driving cars are a developing technology, and it is still too early to say when they will become a reality. However, the potential benefits of self-driving cars are significant, and they are likely to have a major impact on our lives in the future. Number 8. Gene editing. Gene editing is a technology that allows us to change the DNA of living organisms. This technology has the potential to cure diseases, improve crops, and create new life forms. CRISPR-Cas9 uses a protein called Cas9 to cut DNA at a specific location. Once the DNA is cut, scientists can add or remove DNA, or they can change the order of DNA bases. Gene editing is a powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize many fields. However, it is also a controversial technology. Some people are concerned about the potential risks of gene editing, such as the possibility of creating designer babies, or of accidentally creating harmful mutations. Despite the concerns, gene editing is a promising technology with the potential to improve the lives of many people. It is important to continue to research and develop gene editing techniques in a safe and responsible way. Number 9. Fusion power. Fusion power is a type of power generation that is based on the fusion of atomic nuclei. Fusion power is a clean and abundant source of energy, and it has the potential to replace fossil fuels. Fusion power is still in the early stages of development, but it has the potential to be a major source of energy in the future. Fusion reactors would produce no greenhouse gases or other pollutants, and they would be much safer than nuclear fission reactors. Fusion power produces no greenhouse gases or other pollutants. This makes it a clean and sustainable source of energy. Fusion power is a promising technology with the potential to provide a clean, safe, and abundant source of energy. However, it is still in the early stages of development. It is possible that fusion power will not be commercially available for many years. Number 10. Space exploration. Space exploration is the process of exploring outer space. Space exploration has the potential to lead to new discoveries, new technologies, and new opportunities for humanity. The first human-made object to reach space was the Soviet Union's Sputnik 1, which was launched in 1957. The first human to travel to space was Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet cosmonaut, who flew on the Vostok 1 spacecraft in 1961. Since then, humans have made many significant achievements in space exploration. We have landed humans on the moon, sent probes to explore other planets, and even built the International Space Station. Space exploration has many benefits. It has helped us to learn more about our place in the universe, and it has also led to the development of new technologies that have improved our lives on Earth. For example, the development of solar panels was inspired by research into space exploration. Space exploration is expensive, but it is also a worthwhile investment. It has the potential to lead to new discoveries that will benefit all of humanity. Space exploration is a complex and challenging endeavor, but it is also an exciting and rewarding one. It has the potential to lead to new discoveries that will benefit all of humanity. Kindly remember to subscribe to watch more interesting videos.